Hello everyone, today I will show you how to crop an image in a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file, now I'll crop this image. Select Edit option. Now select Edit Object and select an image. Now click on this image and click right button, and here you will find Add Clip Path, and you can crop this image rectangular, ellipse, round, rectangle, polygonal, curve and drawing. Firstly, I will show you rectangle. Now draw a rectangle on your image and double click outside of this image and see that image now grow. Also, image curve this image round shape. Click this path and select ellipse and draw a circle shape and see this. Now double click outside of this image and see this round shape now create, and similarly also I'll click this group, click right button and add clip, and I'll group this polygonal way and draw a polygonal. Click here, click and double click outside of this image as is crop. Also you can crop drawing tool. Click on this image, click right button and select add clip, and this is drawing. Now draw this side, draw and double click outside of this image and escape and see this. Our image now crop, and in this way you can crop our images, and finally select this file option, save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.